Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a group on the Flipped application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then go to your home page and then click on the group section down below, which is the third option. Here, if you want to create a group, tap on the Your Group section in the middle of the screen and tap on Create a Group down below. After that, you should make it personalized by answering a few questions. Tap on the Start button, then select the type of group, such as studying or challenge. Tap on the arrow down below to go to the next question, then type in the name of your group. After that, the next step is the group bio, so write a brief introduction of the group itself, then add a relevant group link to this last box, then tap on the button down below, select who is this group for, then select the interests and your group's time goal per week. Select a tag, and then, as you can see, you have created your first group. If you want to check it out, just go to this section, and here you have a bunch of options you can do, such as joining a live room, a leaderboard, watching or checking out your bio and adding members to it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.